How to count your inventory accurately. Step-by-step guide for shop owners. Confused about inventory counting? Are you not sure how many items are really in your store? Don't worry. Here's a simple way to count your stock the right way. Step 1. Decide what to count. Start by choosing which items you want to count. It can be everything in your store or just important products like your top sellers. Step 2. Prepare a list. Prepare a list of all the items and their expected quantities. You can print this from your POS system or write it down. Step 3. Count physically one by one. Now, go to each shelf and count the items one by one. Use a barcode scanner or your phone to make things faster. Step 4. Record what you count. Write down the number of items you actually see. If the list says 10 but you only find 8, note that down. Step 5. Fix the difference. Compare the counted number with what's in your POS system. If there's a difference, update your records and try to find out why. Step 6. Repeat every month. To keep things accurate, count your inventory regularly, at least once a month or weekly if you sell fast-moving items. Bonus tip. Using a POS system like SalesPlay makes inventory counting much easier. You can view reports, track stock, and update numbers in a few clicks. Accurate inventory means fewer mistakes, more sales, and happy customers. Start today and stay in control of your stock.